Yes! Yes! I'm singing in the rain. Careful. No camping, don't complain. They say I'm insane 'cause I love soaking rain. There's no better sound than rain pouring down. I thank Mother Nature for the rain. Do, 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 do.
If he likes to camp and it's wet and damp, either a frog or green moss on a log. The rain is so harsh, the campsite awash. The forest has turned to a marsh.
I'm singing in the rain, 'cause there's no swimming in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm off once again. The lakes to the top, the pools filled with slop. I'm thanking Hashem for the rain.
No one can deny that he's a nice guy, but swimming ain't fun when there isn't a sun. Though the sun is hot at our camp it's not. Keep bringing, just take all you got.
We're singing in the rain, no way we will complain. There's a rain out today, kiddies must go away. No hockey or ball, no sports field at all. We thank Hashem for the rain.
No singing in the rain. It only brings us pain.
All day parents call, driving us up the wall.
Is Moshe getting wet? Has it stopped raining yet? Rain only makes us cranky and upset.
Parents use the rain to fast and complain. Hang up the phone if you don't like the tone. If they dare call back, go on the attack. And they will think you really are insane.
I'm singing in the rain, 'cause there's no swinging in the rain. The zip line is wet, so's the cargo net. Woo! We're all in a trance, doing the rain dance. We're thanking Hashem for the rain.
The ropes are his friend to climb and descend. When they are wet, you need a safety net. So please rain all day, sunshine go away. Ropes course is off another day.
I hate it when it rains, it backs up all the drains. The school ceiling leaks and the sewage all reeks. When gators get stuck, I really get mucked. I hate all this rain.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the storm